Hello, welcome back to Crime for Tech. Again, this is Ramkesh Mishra. In today's lecture, I'm going to talk about what are the string escape character and what are the string formatting operators. Okay, so as we discussed in the previous lecture that how you are going to access the string values using the index and so many things. So please watch that video as well. Okay, so before going for escape character, I just wanted to tell you the what is the slicing. And slicing basically, if you wanted to access the string from one index to another index, means you are trying to get one substring from a original string, that is called slicing. So let's discuss about this. So we have the square brackets and there is a colon sign. So this would be the, before the colon sign there will be the start index, okay, and after the colon sign there will be end index. So this basically helps us to get the substring. Okay, so let's see one example, then you will understand very well. And we have one let's say a string that is Ram Grace. Okay, this is one string. Fine. Now if I wanted to get the string Chris here, this part, okay, so let's see this index value 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we have the how many characters? It's the 9 characters. So I wanted to get the string from 3 to 7. So how you will do this slicing here? So getting the crease, so I'm giving another string variable str1, and you will write here the original string variable name square bracket start, the initial index is what, 3 colon, and it should print till 7 index. So we have to give one index ahead. So here you will give what, 8. So this name 3 to 8 is what, is the Chris. So when we will print the str1, you will get the output KRISH. So this is how we are doing slicing in the index variable as well. Fine. So this is one important thing. One thing more which you have to focus in the string part, that as I discussed in the previous lecture, that the indexing can start from from reverse side as well. So anvil is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8 and -9. So if you wanted to get the index from end of the string, then the index value will start from -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 till -9. Okay, if the character size is what, 9. The same string value we can get through this negative indexing as well. So let's say str2, and here name of what is this, -6 colon, and what is here, -1. Basically this is the, if you are giving till -1, so -6 to -1, the same output, you will get the same output. Print str2, this will also give the output Chris. Okay, so these are the things which you should focus very well. Please don't get confused about this, the indexing cause. So I think you understand it very well. Now let's move to the next topic, backslash. Here we will use the backslash. There is 2 slash, always remember. One is the backslash, forward slash, okay, and another one is the backslash. So this you have to keep in mind that in the escape character we are using always backslash. So these escape characters are what, these are the hidden characters which help us to finding the better output, formatting the output. So let's see. how this will work. Slash a is for alert, okay, slash n is for new line, then slash b for backspace, slash t for tab, one tab space, okay, slash v for vertical tab space, vertical tab space. So these are the few special escape characters which are helping you to get the correct formatted output, yeah, correct, let's say one examples, then you will understand it very well. Okay, suppose I'm going to print a string. Okay, so print, suppose I am giving one, my name is Ram, okay, and in the same line I am keep writing, okay, I live in Dubai. If it's in the same line and after printing what you want, this line should come to the new line. So here I can use this backslash n. This basically the automatically the print functions will do what? It will print to the new line. So here we have to be very careful. Means this escape character helps us to get the correct output instead of writing the two printf function or something like that. So output will be what here? My name is Ram, and in the new line you will get I live in Dubai. Okay, so hope I am able to make you understand about this escape character. Now the another topic is string formatting operator. Sometimes what happened, we wanted to print the specific type data. So these string formatting operators help us to get that output along with printf functions. Few string formatting operators are there. Formatting operator. So %c for character, cats, %s for string, %d for decimal number, okay, and what is %f for float. Many others are there, %b for boolean. So these are the string formatting operators. Okay, let's say we'll give one print. Okay, so what I'm going to write here, first char of string %s, okay, is %c. Then you will write here percentage sign, in the brackets you will write the string part, let's say Ram, and you will write the single char, and that's it. So what the output you will get here, that this %s placeholder and string formatting operator will belong to this string, and this %c belong to this single character R. So if this kind of output, if you wanted to get the string formatting operator will help you very well. Okay, so this is what we come to know about the escape character and string formatting operator, as well as how to slice, how to extract the substring from actual string, one of the big string. So these are the things which you have to focus very well. And the coming lecture I'm going to talk about what are the string inbuilt function and how you are going to modify with that. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.